Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox the BBG, that is Biking Brotherhood Gears riding clothes. This is the packet which I have received from the Biking Brotherhood today, and we are going to unboxing on my channel. So without wasting any time, let us unbox it. So this is the packet which we have received, and let us start the unboxing. So this is the first look of the parcel which is carrying the riding gloves. The brand name I believe will be inside of the parcel, and yes, this is the Snell riding gloves. So let us see what is inside. So Snell is the product type. You can see the model name on the parcel, which is a Snell Iconic Neon. Size is small and quantity is 1. MRP has been written as a 3000, but I have brought this in a sale on the BBG website. So this is not the price which I have paid. You can check the link in the description. I will give you the link for the site, but maybe this offer would be limited for the stocks, so you might not get the same price in future if you are browsing the site maybe the later date when the stocks are over. So let us start. Let us check what is inside. Let us keep this bag aside. So this is the first look of the product. You can see there is some sticker which is having some description as let us see this later. It is, yes, it is a genuine leather gloves. So the tag is there for the leather gloves. Snell medium, you can see the size of medium and the branding as a Snell, sorry. There is a clip has been provided at the one side of at the right hand side of the gloves, and there is one clip, so you can tie this both the gloves together and you can carry along like without any hassle. Let us see the fitting of this gloves. Fitting is quite comfortable. You can see the size of your palm or your hand increases when you get into this gloves. And these two, I like these two. These are also a solid plastic material. Medium size is fitting to my hand size, so check before you order this. Movement of the hand is also very smooth. So this material, you can see that this material is a plastic material which is a padding, and that is a hard material. But this material, this one is just a leather padding. It is not the hard material. There is cushioning grip on the palm side, so that while you are riding and you are gripping your handlebar, it would grip correctly. There is also protection on the fingers. The pinky finger does not have that plastic protection here, but all other fingers are having the plastic buttons on the each finger. The all in all, the quality seems to be good. The only defect that the BBG gear have mentioned that this touch screen would peel off after some use. That's why this defect they have already given on their website, and that's why they are selling this product on a sale. So that's why if you feel that this product or this defect that touchscreen leather peeling off after a few days of use is not bother you much, if you are not too keen to have that facility to on a gloves, then you may like order this. But I believe this is like good for me, so that's why I have ordered this gloves. So this is it guys with the initial unboxing of these gloves. In case of any further update, I will upload a detailed review after few months or few days of the use of these gloves. Until then, stay connected and see you soon.